Everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're over at Hertz on a Friday evening, and we're just taking a look at the President's Circle aisle here, Toronto International Airport. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and if you want to see more of these videos, give it a quick like. And we got a couple smaller SUVs. It's a RAV4 there. That's 5-star down there, and you know, just the President's Circle's got only three cars in it. There's a Ford Escape, and we got a Toyota Camry. This is going into 5-star, Mitsubishi SUV, Chevy Cruze. Oh, that's fairly nicely trim on that. RS sunroof. We got a Kia. Actually, two of them almost identical. And that Challenger there is in reserve. Tesla's in reserve. Let's just go down the other side, the 5-star here. Got a smaller Nissan SUV. We got a Camry coming in here. Another Mitsubishi, Hyundai SUV. The wipers are up on that Hyundai at the end down there. And let's take a walk into reserve, and we'll see how far we get before a manager comes out here. We got a minivan, Toyota Avalon, Mustang 5-liter convertible. And we got a Model 3. Got a Honda SUV. I think these are Highlanders, and we got a Chrysler 300. These are all reserve. And we got a newer Rogue parked inwards. Actually, those might be personal cars. Actually, I think some of these are personal cars. That Tesla is probably a rental. We've got a really small Chevy here. VW Golf from BC. All right, and another small Chevy over here. And let's go over to gold. And there's a couple cars in gold, not too many, a lot of empty spaces though. One of these smaller, I think, is this a Toyota SUV here? Sorry, Hyundai. Yeah, it's one of the smaller Hyundais. Another Hyundai Corolla. Wow, they got some really small sedans here, really subcompact. And then we got a couple Corollas, and we got a Kia sedan over there. And let's just take a quick look at premium upgrades. We got a Chrysler 300, and we got another 5-liter, I believe, 5-liter Mustang convertible. And let's just go over to the other side of reserve. Okay, we're back in reserve. We got two of these Lexus NX 350 all-wheel drives. These are really sharp looking. And then we got another, I think this is an Avalon here. I'm not sure why they're parking it inwards like that. Got another Palisade, Ford Explorer. We got a Toyota SUV, XC40 Volvo, Chrysler 300. Got a Ford Explorer. We got a Ford Expedition, Tesla Model 3. We got a minivan, a couple cars in the returns here. We got two RAV4s with the flashers on. A Chevy SUV, compact SUV. We got a Corolla, VW, one of those VW wagons. Two more Tesla Model 3s. We got a Dodge Charger and a red Model 3. And there's some folks over here taking one of these Ford Expeditions. Lots of room in that. Infiniti Q50 coming up here. And we got a Kia. And we got a Chrysler minivan. And I think we're going to wrap things up here. Chrysler 300. And we got a Dodge Charger. And we got a Ford Explorer. Yeah, so I think that's going to wrap it up. All right, well, thanks everyone for watching. Just a quick reminder again, go ahead and click that subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, guys, actually, just after I finished, I ran into the manager that I had a run-in with the last video. So he reached out to corporate, and corporate said they get back to me in 24 hours, and it's been well over a week. It's almost been 2 weeks, so still waiting to hear back from corporate about just the overall social media and kind of coordinating some of the filming. But just to give you guys a quick update on that. And yeah, all right, I'll see you in the next video.